last day of the WeAreDevelopers Congress. So good morning to the third and last day. Today is really sunny and warm, and it's pretty exciting to have such a nice weather for the last day. Today we'll start with a workshop at 9 a.m. So I hope I won't be late because it's currently 8:15. So yeah, it's about video editing and extracting information from video. This would be really nice to learn, and also there's some programming involved. So yeah, I hope I will get into programming somehow a lot more. And I'm also excited about the talks in the afternoon. And yeah, let's smash this last day! So the workshop took the whole morning, and it is so great because we have only been there together a pair of two. So in our workshop we developed an app who makes it able to protect your data from spies and to protect your screen from spies because it just blacks out, and also to display your emotion as weather icons. So it's like really cool, and we also won something. And yeah, so now I'm just looking for some blockchain workshops because I'm not that quite familiar with blockchains, and I think it's amazing. And I'll also get some food or tea or something warm right now because it's a little bit cold. I have won a ticket! It's a t-shirt especially for the conference, and it's a WeAreDevelopers t-shirt, so it's really, really, really awesome!
So I think, honestly, automation of every single job gives you the time to do things that you really like to do, and if that's your job, you can still do it. Nobody forces you to not code. And you also take away the power out of other hands to control your happiness and your fulfillment. So that's, by the way, the reason why I personally think that moving towards AGI is a good thing.
Welcome. Thank you. Oh boy, thanks. This is huge. And if you were here last year, it's a little bit nicer, right? This place. We've been handing out Stack Overflow stickers. I got a few more. If you didn't get them, this should be enough. And since this place is so beautiful, what I ask is that you take an extra sticker and put it somewhere on this convention center for the purpose of because they're very fancy. Also, there's a nice opera house I understand in Vienna, and I don't think it has enough Stack Overflow stickers. Does anybody? Yeah, I asked this last year, and I promised not to repeat any jokes. Does anybody use Stack Overflow? Nope. Wait. Don't answer that. Let's move on to the next joke. Stack Overflow is now approximately 10 years old. In September, it will be the 10th anniversary of the launch of Stack Overflow.
So the conference ended quite quickly, and we were just pushed out a little bit because there have to be the cleaning up and all that stuff done. So yeah, but it was nice. We had a confetti wall and everywhere confetti, and a lot of people going through the doors. It was kind of really, really nice and awesome. As the whole conference where the community was really great, and the talk of Joe Spolsky was like up for a job. A lot of jokes, a lot of really cool science also behind it, but most of the time just cool anecdotes. And I think this is what really makes the society so great, that they not only bring value to themselves, but also give back the value to others, including jokes, having a nice time with them. And yeah, so I hope I could give some value and insight to this conference through my camera to you. And yeah, I just have one person point of charge, so I probably won't go along with that. So you have to keep in mind, always go long term, do the things you like, and don't stop believing in your ideas.